guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am actually going to start packing. Yay! I don't even know where to begin, guys. I have such a mess, and honestly all I feel like doing is just packing my clothes, packing Riley's clothes, and then just leaving everything else. Like, screw it, we'll start fresh. But we can't do that. So I figured I would start with Riley's toys. She's already ahead of the game. But yes, start with Riley's toys. This general area. The walls, because they do need to be painted back to their original color. So obviously these things need to be taken down. Pack away whatever's left in there, which is mostly just Miguel's video games and his old, I think that's a PS3 over here. I don't know, but yes, that I do watch As Told by Kenya. I have my moments, and yeah, pack all of this, whatever this is. Get rid of it. Yeah, I know, we gotta get rid of it. Hay que decir bye bye. Oh, hold up, you got my cell phone. Come over here. Oh no! Dámelo. Gracias. Gracias. You ready to be mommy's helper today? Oh, I guess not. Alright. Well then, we're gonna put some Dora on for you. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm going to be doing. Packing. Well, a good chunk, hopefully. And yeah, we'll see you in a bit. We're starting off in my living room, where I took off the pictures off of the wall and my mantle. I do have to say, whoever said that command strips do not cause any damages to your walls has been lying to you guys, because they certainly did cause some damage on my wall. Cover the picture frames with newspapers or magazines, just so that in case the glass breaks, there's something to catch it and it doesn't go all over the place and we have no accidents. Getting our movie supplies from 3 different stores, one of them being Home Depot, Walmart, and Dollar Tree. I do have to say that the boxes from Home Depot are much more sturdier than the ones from Walmart. I got the heavy duty tape and bubble wrap from Dollar Tree, and I do have to say that the heavy duty tape is quite impressive. I didn't think it was going to be as good as it is. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I hated unscrewing this thing. It was a nightmare. And at the end, I couldn't even get like 2 legs off because the screws were so in the like wooden legs. It annoyed me so much that I just threw out the whole entire piece after I was done. Update. So this is how it's looking. Those are 2 trash bags I'm going to be taking out tomorrow morning. But I think I made some progress. It doesn't look like much, but I took down all of the stuff up here and just left all of the moving stuff. So like the tapes, heavy duty tape, the scissors, and other stuff that needs to be packed somewhere else. it's like about 3 a.m. right now, and it's taking me this long just because I have a baby, and it's just crazy to pack with her. But I think I got a pretty good chunk done. So now I'm going to be focusing on the kitchen, where I'm going to be packing everything but one plate, a fork, a knife, and a spoon, and maybe like her bottles, leaving those out. But everything else I'm going to pack up or throw out, because he already has a lot of stuff down there, so there's no point in taking like 2 pans, 2 what do you call it, cutting boards and stuff like that, when he already has a spare over there. But I'm going to end it right here, and I will continue tomorrow in the morning. This entire move, I've been tackling it literally day by day. With a child, most of you guys know that you cannot do much if you don't have any help, especially with my kid. She is very rambunctious and all over the place. I have to keep my eyes on her 24/7, and it's just quite impossible to get everything done in like a day or two when you don't have a child. So this is the update for these shelves. These are how they're looking. I'm still leaving out some cups and bowls and a few utensils because we still have a few more weeks before we leave. I'm leaving out some medicine just in case if I or Riley get sick. Hopefully not. Food is still out there because we still have a few more weeks. I'm actually debating if I want to take the Tupperware that is up there, or multiples, because there's a lot up there. Just because Miguel has some down there, so I don't want to take a lot of stuff. I really want to pack what's only necessary at this point. Down here, only our shopping bags and the toaster is left. And everything in here has been either thrown away or packed. I just have the newspaper down here for our moving purposes. Over here, just some of the vinegar, olive oil, and some tomato paste are here for cooking purposes. And I haven't put away the cleaning supplies, but I have made some progress by weeding out a few things from here. Right now, I'm going to pack my clothes and show you guys. Right now, this is how my living room is looking like. It is a hot mess. But that's the whole thing about moving. It looks ugly before it actually looks even better. I still have a few books here because I do read to Riley a few times. But everything is mostly packed and gone. Next up, the next thing that I tackled was the closet, and you guys, there was so much shoes and clothes in there. It was a nightmare. Not just only mine, but Riley's as well. So I had to sort through a lot of clothing items, making sure that some I would be putting into storage just because we're no longer going to be having winters anymore, so there is no need for winter coats, boots, or sweaters, or any clothing that falls into winter category. And of course, making sure that if anything that I did not like, I could give to donations before trashing them. Pro tip: when moving, instead of individually just taking your clothes off the hanger, leave them on the hanger and just pull up a trash bag where you can have the hangers exposed. That way, it is an easy move from your closet to the box, from the box to your new closet. highly satisfying, you guys, and quite frankly, I've been contemplating the whole minimalism approach, and I've been watching Cassandra from the Kappa's Clan, and she is on this journey of minimalism, and I really do want to give it a go. So we'll see how that goes for me, you guys. Alright, you guys, here is the progress. I fit almost all of my wardrobe into this one box, plus shoes. I also narrowed down everything that was on here just to have my essentials: deodorant, dry shampoo, lotion, some makeup in case I want to use it, lip scrubs, face powder, Riley's perfume, hair bottle, lotion for her, candles because the room's gotta smell good, hair brushes, and here is the closet. Now, don't get it twisted, these bags over here are for Riley's clothes and her blanket, so that's packed away. I just have to get more boxes to put them in. Some shoes are being left out just because A, I have to use them because it's cold up here in New York, or B, not too sure if I want to take them with me. That bag here is for clothes that I'm putting away, such as like sweaters and coats, because we're not going to need it. Georgia's hot, so we're not going to need any of our winter clothes. So that bag is most likely going to go to my mom's into her basement or attic. The clothes that I'm gonna be sticking with, just a bunch of shirts and like some sweaters here, short sleeves. I mostly am a short sleeve type of girl just because I hate wearing long sleeves, and I don't know, I just feel like I sweat too much with them. I left out 4 pairs of Riley shoes, my work bag, some paper, my old MacBook, camera, steamer because we're definitely gonna need that, some crafting stuff just in case I want to get crafty. But yeah, everything pretty much is packed up and ready to go. Miguel just needs to decide what he wants to do with that, and that is his hunting gear up there. His bow and arrow is like right here, so he's gonna decide how he wants to ship that, how does he want to pack it, because I don't want it to like get damaged or anything like that. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!